What's up guys, let's connect the Asus Wi-Fi router to a laptop using an Ethernet cable and see how it works. First of all, make sure your router is up and running and then find the LAN ports on your router, plug the Ethernet cable into any LAN port and the other end of this cable plug into the LAN port on your laptop. If you don't have the LAN port like I do, you need to use the adapter. I have USB-C to LAN interface. So now, as you can see, the Wi-Fi icon on the taskbar has been replaced with wired connection icon. Now you can go to a control panel and here you can see that the Ethernet connection is established. You can double check this. You can disable Wi-Fi on your laptop and try to access to any website. For example, let's try to access YouTube. That's it. Everything is working. And I don't know how exactly you make your way to the network settings on Mac, but you can check this in Mac user guide depending on your OS version. And that's it guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and be awesome. Bye guys.